Hi, this is Scott Himelstein with the Scott Himelstein Group, and thanks again for watching our video blog. Today we're talking with Zachary Schneiderman of Schneiderman Insurance Agency, the top 3 things to consider when buying insurance. So before we begin that conversation, if you're a home seller, check out the free home value report. And if you're interested in buying a home, check out our free MLS property search that we have on our video blog. All right, so today we're talking with Zachary Schneiderman of Schneiderman Insurance Agency. And you know, Zachary, talking today about the 3 most important things to consider when buying insurance. And number 1, and really the most important, the direct relationship that you can have with your insurance agent.
Yeah, having a relationship with your insurance agent can make a tremendous difference. You know, claims come up, you want an interpretation of your policy. If you're calling an 800 number in Kansas City that represents people from all over the country, you don't have that direct relationship and that bond of someone who really, it's in their best interest to take care of you. Your relationship is going to be everything in the long run, and finding the right person to do that and working with them, doing regular insurance reviews on an annual basis or something similar like that can make a big difference, so that we remove potential gaps in coverage and make sure really that you're insured to the best extent possible.
Number 2, Zachary, is buyers of insurance should really need to know their policy. Don't judge a book by its cover.
Yeah, so many times people go online, they ask for an insurance quote, gets sent out to 10 insurance companies, and what they're getting is a bunch of preliminary quotes, and they're making a decision based off that preliminary quote and not calling the agent that's saying, hey, please give me a call, I'd like to discuss this with you, and then going and fine-tuning this policy. There are many options in there that are going to be, such as whether you have mold coverage for your policy, whether there's an extended replacement cost, whether your policy itself covers you for replacement value rather than actual cash value. And what you find is when people are judging that book by its cover, they're not understanding that there's a 30-page document inside that's really known as your policy, not just a cover page telling you what the coverage is, that's written by lawyers, and these insurance companies have gone through great lengths to differentiate the terms in there, and some of them give exclusions, some give inclusions, and you need to know the difference between those while making a decision. And there's a reason why your insurance agents are licensed professionals, and you want to make sure that you are dealing with a licensed professional when making a decision.
All right, so the 3rd and final one, Zachary, is bundling. And there's a lot of misinformation out there on bundling. A lot of people don't even know what that is.
So, whether you're a homeowner, a renter, just own your auto insurance policy, all of these policies have related issues that we can bundle your policies together, get you additional discounts, and then go deeper with, say, professional discounts, or whether you have alumni discounts at some companies. We're looking to find ways to give you the most value for what you get, and bundling is a great way to do that. There's opportunities for having an umbrella policy within that when you have your insurance at the same company, and it can broaden the coverage and fill in gaps. But having your same insurance agent for all of your areas of insurance, sometimes even if it's not necessarily the cheapest way to go, sometimes it's the best way to go, based on the idea that you need someone who understands everything you own. You own a home, you own an auto, or what happens if you own a boat out of state? Are they aware of it? Are they protecting you for those things? So having that relationship with your insurance agent and having those discussions about all of the terms and doing a regular review can make a big difference. And that's all part of knowing what you're doing here, finding ways to bundle it, and giving your licensed insurance agent the opportunity to assist you to their best abilities.
All right, we've been talking with Zachary Schneiderman. Thanks to Zachary of the Schneiderman Insurance Agency. And Zachary, your number?
818-322-4744.
And that's the number that you see down below on the bottom of your screen. Hey, and thanks as always for watching our video blog. You can always reach us at the Scott Himelstein Group, 818-396-3311. That's 818-396-3311. And we look forward to seeing you next time on the video blog.